Welcome to Jamaica. Are the right car this minute? Guys, look who is in! Vanny Penny! Girl, I made it! How much color do you buy?
Where are we going?
So guys, we're going on a road trip in our famous rocket ship. We don't know where we're going, but we know we're going to leave out of Kingston, right?
Yes.
So our initial thought process was to go to Plantation Smokehouse, but we don't know where that is. I mean, let's drive and see where the road leads us, right?
Okay.
So guys, welcome to another video with me, your girl Latoya. Thanks for clicking onto this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's start our journey. Guys, I'm ready. Can't talk up to me, my headband wig. Who knows? Who knows?
We all
Who knows? View is gorgeous. So guys, we're on our way to Ocho Rios, right? It is now, call it 11 o'clock, like 1 minute to 11. I'm not if I'm going to come and say every time. That was fast?
Yes.
Oh, so it's probably like around 10:30 or so.
No, it's not like that.
But guys, so it's just 2:11, right? And Ocho just the right there, so you know, I'm a feel so we're not gonna reach till 2 o'clock. Because at this rate of Vanessa drive, like why we go 20 and 10? Why? Like understand safety is best, but I mean like 20, I see one snail even I run past the car a while ago. Like this can't work. And even on here inside quiet, it's not quiet. I just don't want like a copyright, but a beer dancer I go in here and carnival. You want to see me on the dashboard and thing, me I go out with a bag of things. But guys, me I enjoy myself so far. Like you know, if I have money for doing things. Well, if I have money, because worst gas price gone up, you know. But I mean, you don't have to plan a big thing. Just get up, put on your clothes and drive out. And where the road leads you, you just stay there. So you see me. So stay tuned. Me I go sleep because I talk at the rich shape.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So we're heading into Ocho Rios right now. We still don't know where we're going, Vanessa. Guys, wanna call this spontaneous? So what you say we're gonna do over here? Oh, it's Margaritaville.
Hi. We can just go? Oh.
Okay. Guys, we're here in Ocho Rios at Ocho Rios Fishing Village. We don't know what over here, but we're gonna look and y'all come with me. What kind of one go is Margaritaville? But we don't know if we're on the right plaza to get there. But listen, if I will swim cross, go over Margaritaville, we're gonna swim cross over there. So guys, I'm super excited. I don't know why I'm always excited for just go up on the road. What you mean lock up in the house because of COVID? Yeah. Vanessa put on her little thing, man. And she want to cover up that booty. She don't want her booty show. So she cover her booty. So you ready?
Yeah.
You have your mask? Yeah, they're kind of fancy mask now. So why?
It's a regular mask.
No, but Vanessa, what is this card thing
It's a
around
mask chain. Nobody can see it.
You know, if I think a rocket, I would like it too.
It's grudgeful, you're grudgeful, but you don't have one.
This is me not care, me grudgeful and bad mind sometimes. So what me and you, man. me. No. It is. Guys, so nice little spot. This is nice. Hi, Valley Park.
For a boat ride.
2.5 in total?
No, per person.
To go where though?
Dolphins. We don't know what dolphins do. So just a 12 one you can kidnap. It just sounds very suspect. 2 women alone on a boat. Lifeguard is a male or a female. That's no 2 man, 2 woman. We're not gonna come back.
Guys, we're leaving Fishing Village. Over there is nice and cool little vibes. We wanted to do a boat ride thingy, but like, yeah. We wanted to do the boat ride thingy, but we not said them are gonna take away. But we have to think like that because the world is not really set right nowadays. 2 females, 2 lone females on a boat with 2 men going way far. Yeah. So we're gonna head over to Margaritaville now, see what they have to offer. So we are confirming that we turned on the wrong plaza? Yeah. Okay.
Latoya! Okay.
It looks like the right place.
But this is where we would have been going, I believe. No, it's not there, so we can't support.
Welcome to Island Village. Entertainment, ATM, shopping, dining, movies, and the beach. So guys, this is the location. So guys, we're at the other location. I'm excited. I'm kind of hungry now. You didn't eat something before you leave this morning?
Yeah.
I ate some chips and something. Girl, come out, man. Body, come out. It's really a mall. I've never. I just realized the purse has a lip on it and the clothes have a lip on it. Like details, guys. So we can't go on it, but we can't go on it. Guys, we are enjoying ourselves.
Are we going shopping? Whether window or otherwise?
With Vanessa's money, sure. I went there and I like the rib, but the other items never. Oh, okay. I'm kind of glad that it's early. Can we really let the crowd on? Yeah, I like that.
Ready?
Wait, let me find it. Alright, ready, go. So let's walk onto the shade?
Yeah.
Ready?
Go.
Hi, afternoon.
Dolly anyway.
Come on, daddy, them come on.
Rule number 1, do not smell it, do not taste it. When I say 1, you gotta show 2. When I say 3, you guys gonna show 12 strips. At time we gonna come back.
Okay.
Can you clean out and you're gonna choose one for me?
This one is here.
It's very come
No,
take
that's
one.
his.
Put it up in there. Why is it so cool to me? Like this.
But you don't like me.
Jesus, I know you're not, but I do.
No, come.
Somebody choose one for me, not you, not you. There's the salt for the base because you don't have any lime. One way again, alright? 1, 2, 3.
That's true.
This is a tequila?
Some of there's 2 water left back. So please, can I beg you, please.
Woo!
1, 2, 10. After 1 or 2, this guy. Ready? What?
It's not the ones that we're drinking.
1, 2, 3.
That's true.
Thank you, Jesus.
I don't want to. I got 1 water. She got 2 tequilas. Like.
He said it was a bowl like that.
But my eye from the sun already. Tony, look at me, I got burn up in the sun, so.
It's an AC there on the boat.
Rotted.
Oh, you know that you go see about 20 shirts, but you see that you never look good. See it right there?
Oi! Guys, we're going on a boat ride.
So go sit here, turn, spin around.
Oh, then can I show this over there? Can I show myself over there too?
No man, I prefer train in my life. To make you go much
Come on, turn about. Let me turn.
Sit right here. Pull up the set.
Taxi nervous way.
I just had
Yes, baby!
Please stop.
Told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something
Oh no! What a fast ride! Are we the Fast and Furious? Hey, I'm being youngster tune. Hey, tell him, Tony, tell him. Hey, I'm not being sad. Oh my gosh! Woo! Yes! This is a spontaneous life. I like it. Watch money fun. Woo! Guys, it's nice. I'm not gonna lie. Woo-hoo!
It's a good decision.
Yeah. Oh my god, this was worth it.
It was good.
It was.
Tony,
Tony! Guys, we just come off our boat ride. Why does have a nice like rice? Tony really sought you out. Guys, when you come here, ask Tony. Want to come name again? Tony Water Sport. When you come to Margaritaville or the fishing village next door to Margarita, ask for Tony for the boat ride. Tony Water Sport. Tony nice like rice. I'm not gonna lie. Nice. Fun. Not gonna lie. Woo. Oh, are you so come off, right?
yes.
Oh, damn.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome to. He said, "Welcome to Jamaica."
Ways to come in Oregon.
All right,
Tony, is it okay for you to be on my YouTube vlog?
no problem.
And you're okay with that too?
Yeah, man, Ryan.
Even when you might trouble you? So I have Tony and Ryan, guys. Them nice like rice.
Good.
Yeah, man. Staying down by Richmond in July.
Ocho Rios Center.
Yeah,
Ocean
boo boo.
11.
Ocean 11?
Yes.
Alright,
By
guys.
the marina, right?
Guys, we're not telling like the boat full of vibes. Nice speed and thing. And we the first on the Furious. So, but I'm going to go, eh? What's two boats to go? Tony Water Sports, guys.
Yeah, man. See the brochure here, Tony Water Sports. Yeah, man.
Tony Water. So guys, Tony's Water Sports, guys. Come and ask for Tony. These are the information here. Rice. The ride is nice. I'm not gonna lie. Respect, alright? See, they have visual down here.
Yeah, that's right. I think this is where Pandora is.
Yeah. See the eye so me there.
Oh, it's a fire rich.
Yeah, good enough. Yeah, so we're at Starbucks now. Gonna get our coffee to go because after them shop there, sunburn and everything, we need something to wake us up. So why not try some coffee? Once birds not tired of over now.
Nice chocolate hazelnut something.
It's a chocolate cake.
It says double chocolate chunk brownie.
Oh. Thank you, ma'am. Yep. So guys, oh my gosh, I'm tired but I enjoy myself. Like guys, I'm not tell a lie. We left Kingston, well Kingston and St. Catherine, not knowing what we were going to do a foreign in Ocho Rios. But guys, we came here, we had a spectacular time. Like we eat all of the nice food, and then in the spur of the moment we said why not go on a boat ride, and guys we did, and that was the highlight of my day. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please to post in the comment section below and thumbs up this video. Also share their friend, make them to Jamaica nice like rice. Again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
If you ain't
Mwah.
shit, no, it'll never be.
Mwah.
I don't wanna let myself